Hello everyone, if you want to convert a PDF into a JPG image using the Adobe Acrobat, here is how you can do in simple step. First, open the Adobe Acrobat application on your computer. Now you can either create a new PDF or open an existing one. To open a recent file, you can just scroll down to the recent section where you will see the list of the previously opened PDFs. Simply choose the file that you want. Now within the PDF file, go to the All Tools section at your left corner where you will see different options. From here, click on Export a PDF where it opens the export window. In the window, you can see different file formats option. Make sure to select the image format which is already in JPG, or you can choose any formats that you want. After selecting the JPG, click on Convert, and it is important to note that the option to convert PDF to JPG is only available for Adobe Acrobat subscription accounts like Acrobat Pro, so the feature is not available in the free reader version. But if you have already subscribed and tap on Convert, the Acrobat will process your PDF and convert it into the image files. If your PDF has multiple pages, Acrobat will usually create separate JPG images for each page. Once the conversion is complete, a Save As window will appear. And make sure to choose the folder where you want to save the images while giving its file name, then click save. And that's how you can successfully convert a PDF into JPG images using the Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.